FN-6 or FN-6 is a third-generation passive infrared homing (IR) man-portable air defense system (MANPADS). Development from HN-5 missile, FN-6 missile is an export-oriented product and China's most advanced surface-to-air missile offered on the international market. Specially designed to engage low-flying targets, it has a range of 6 kilometers and a maximum altitude of 3.8 kilometers. The missile has been exported to Malaysia, Cambodia, Sudan, Pakistan, and Peru, and a variant was incorporated into People's Liberation Army (PLA) service as the HN-6. Based on FN-6, China has several numbers of other MANPADS and other vehicle-based short-range air defense systems. According to Janes, the FN-6 is a third-generation, passive infrared, man-portable air defense system, MANPADS. It is equipped with a digital infrared seeker with a strong resistance to flares, solar heat, and heat from the ground. The pyramid-shaped nose of the missile houses the 4-unit infrared seeker. The handle of the launcher houses the batteries and cooling system. An IF antenna and an optional clip-on optical sight are fitted onto the launcher. The missile is capable of an all-aspect attack and has a 70% single-shot hit probability. It can engage targets maneuvering at up to 4G. When FN-6 MANPADS can be equipped with night vision equipment, and it can also be equipped with IFF systems. 2 types were shown to the public, one of which is similar in appearance to AMPPX-1 IFF of FN-92 Stinger, while the other IF system is a Yagi-Uda antenna configuration. The complete FN-6 missile system weighs 16 kilograms. The missile is 1.495 meters in length and has a diameter of 0.072 meters. The weight of the missile is 10.77 kilograms. It uses a single-stage solid rocket motor and can obtain a maximum speed of 360 miles per second when flying head-on and 300 meters per second when tail chasing. The missile's operating range is from 500 meters to 6 kilometers, and its operating altitude is from 15 meters to 3.5 kilometers.
FN-16. At the 7th Zhuhai Air Show held at the end of 2008, China revealed a new addition to FN series MANPAD, FN-16. FN-16 is an improvement of earlier FN-6 with better all-aspect attack capability and better resistance against electronic countermeasures. Another major improvement is in its seeker, which in addition to the original IR guidance, UV guidance is also incorporated, a practice adopted in the later version of FN-92 Stinger. Like its predecessor FN-6, FN-16 can also be fitted with both IFF systems used on FN-6, and just like FN-6, FN-16 is redesignated as FY-16, Feiying meaning Flying Eagle, when equipped with IFFs. The missile system is designed to counter fighter-bomber attack aircraft and helicopters, UAV, cruise missile, etc. Specifications: length 1,600 mm, diameter 72 mm, weight 11.5 kilograms, missile. Range 500 meters to 6,000 meters, altitude 10 meters to 4,000 meter, overload 18 grams. Guidance system: infrared homing ultraviolet dual spectrum seeker. HN-6. HN-6 is a further development of FN-16 in Chinese military service. HN-6 utilizes fire control systems FCS of earlier FN-6 and FN-16 MANPADS, but a new FCS site of unknown designation has also been developed. In addition to improved performance over the original FN-6-16 MANPADS, HN-6 incorporates a protective cap over the seeker of missile, offering better protection against the environmental elements. Based on the photos and video clips of PLA training, this protective cap needs to be manually removed before firing the missile. HN-6 can also be incorporated into a portable tripod firing station similar to that of RBS-70 and Mistral. A seat is attached to the lightweight tripod firing stand that can be folded for transportation and storage, and the operator is protected by a bulletproof glass shield.
Operational history: Syrian Civil War. The combat debut of the FN-6 came during the 2013 phase of the Syrian Civil War. By March 2013, 2 Syrian Air Force Mi-8 or Mi-17 were shot down. The New York Times reported that Qatar supplied the Syrian rebels, possibly through purchase from the Sudanese inventory, with the FN-6, and that several units have now fallen into the hands of ISIS. However, spray paint had been used to obscure serial numbers in an effort to impede tracking of the weapons supply chain. The Global Times states that, though Chinese-made missiles have downed aircraft in the past, the Syrian war is the first time such a success has been recorded on video. The news outlet further raises the possibility of this improving the sales and image of Chinese defense products abroad. The New York Times, though claims that rebels have complained the missile's performance, such as failings to fire or lock on and 2 premature explosions while firing, which killed 2 rebels and wounded 4 more. On the 18th of August 2013, the first recorded kill of a fixed-wing aircraft took place when a team from the Islamic Harakat Ahrar, Ash-Sham al-Islami Brigade, downed a SAF MiG-21 over Latakia province. The jet's pilot was filmed parachuting, but his fate is not known. This downing is also the FN-6's first jet kill. ISIL in Iraq. In the aftermath of the 2014 ISIL offensive in Iraq, on the 3rd of October, an FN-6 allegedly supplied by Qatar was used by the militant group to shoot down an Iraqi Army Mi-35 attack helicopter near Baiji. It also may have been used to destroy a Bell 407 scout helicopter in the same area on the 8th of October, killing both pilots. Myanmar Civil War. On January 16, 2024, a Myanmar Air Force FTC-2000G light fighter was shot down by a Kachin Independence Army FN-6 missile in Shan State. Both pilots were killed.
Operators Bangladesh. Bangladesh Army uses FN-16 variant. China. The FN-6 has been taken into service with the plaaf. In plaaf, the FN-6 is deployed in various ground-to-air missile units to provide extra layer of air defense and to protect high-value weaponry from enemies' low-fly aircraft or weapons. In many PLF live firing exercise, FN-6s were seen to participate in action. Kurdistan, used by the Peshmerga. Ghana, 100 FN-6 missiles delivered on 2016. Malaysia, the CNPMIAC offered to sell FN-6 missiles to Malaysia for purchasing the KSA-1A medium-range surface-to-air missiles. In May 2004, a Memorandum of Understanding was signed with Malaysia for the transfer of technology of the FN-6. Namibia, first spotted in Namibian service in 2016, confirmed in August 2018. 50 speculated to be in service. Pakistan, 806 FN-6 delivered between 2010 and 2016. 1,191 FN-16 delivered between 2018 and 2021. Peru, a small batch of FN-6 missiles was acquired by the Peruvian Navy in July 2009 for $1.1 million. Qatar, Sudan, displayed at Sudan's Independence Day military parade of 2007. Produced as the Nizak. Syria, captured from rebel groups. Non-state actors Free Syrian Army. Islamic State. Kachin Independence Army, allegedly received and used some from the UDOSA. Tang National Liberation Army, United West State Army, reportedly acquired in 2012 as part of an efforts to improve its anti-aircraft capabilities.